Another one broke.
Is it cold outside?
No. It's nice out there. I wish I had to put shorts on. Circlip took off. I found it. It's coming. Alrighty. No, this is bad, but I don't have much choice. I gotta get these. Oh. Oh. Bingo. Worked. It worked. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I know this is the wrong way to do this, but I'll figure I'll file this down nice and flat so that it'll be okay. I've done it before on my XR600, so it should be okay. Okay, are we watching group? It's going to come apart. Alright. I'm going to remove my homemade crankcase puller. Once I got my welds to hold on my long bolts, it worked. I separated this tight spot right here. There we go. Homemade crankcase puller. Funny.
Yep, they're in the pantry. Would you like some tomato soup and a grilled cheese?
Sure. Hey, all morning. Welded me some long bolts and shit.
Yeah. Looks good.
This is running, by the way.
Oh, sorry.
So, watch this. Watch this. There's going to be all kinds of pieces fall out. I know it. I'm afraid. Oh. Oh my God. No wonder this thing. Look at this, gears half gone.
Oh.
Holy crap. Oh.
Huh. Wow.
Ah.
So do you or not?
Yes, please.
One or two sandwiches?
One. Okay, well people, there's one problem. You see that? Half the gear is gone. Okay, I'm expecting to see some missing or broken shift forks. I haven't pulled it all the way apart yet, but that's what I expect to see. Okay. It's another piece of a shift fork right there. Get that out. You see that piece of tooth right down there? You got it out. What do you think? I just pulled this out of down here in the middle of the transmission. It was way down there in that hole. There. There's teeth everywhere. Teeth missing in the transmission. One whole gear is missing. Actually, it came apart, exploded. Give me a sec, I'll show you a shot of it. Okay, so here's that one tooth, that one gear rather. Want to see something funny? Watch this. This goes here. This goes there. And this goes like this. There you go.